Guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video we're gonna make this awesome church website using Elementor and the WordPress. So this website is not the single pager website, it is the multi-pager website. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this type of multi-pager website using Elementor and the WordPress from start to end. Okay, so let me show the demonstration of the website which we're going to make in this video from start. So you can see that we are on the homepage of our website. So we are on the homepage of the website. So the name of the website is Hope Center. Okay, so you can see that this is the homepage. So let me refresh the website again, and after refreshing I will show you that this website has some animations also. Okay, so let's refresh this website. So you can see that we have this type of sequence animation in our website. So let's refresh this again, and after refreshing you can see that we have sequence animation. Here you can see that we have this type of layout. We have our hero section here, and here we have this type of layout, and here you can see that we have our menus. So here we have the about, ministries, contact, and here also we have the get started btn. And also you can see that we have this hover effect on this button. Also you can see that here we have this type of layout. Here also we have this button discover more, and here we have this play button. Okay, so let's go below, and here you can see that we have this about us section. Here you can see that we have this type of layout. Here also we have this learn more button where we have the black color after hover. Okay, so you can see that here we have all of these counters. Okay, so let me refresh this again, and let me show you that this website has all the animations. Okay, so let's go below. Here you can see that we have this type of sequence animation. So first this section will come, and after that all the section will come. Okay, so let's go below. Here you can see that we have the ministry section. Here we have this type of layout, and also you can see that on hover we have this type of image coming here. Okay, so also here you can see that we have this type of btn here. Okay, here we have this type of hover effect on these grids. Okay, so here you can see that all of these things are there. Also this learn more button have the animations. Okay, so let's go below. After that you can see that here we have this type of layout. We have what we believe. Okay, so here we have the Bible, Jesus Christ, grace and salvation, and here we have this type of section and layout. Okay, so here we also have the start now button. Okay, so let's go below. Here you can see that we have this event section here. Here also you can see that we have the more events button, so you can add your one more page and you can link to this page also. Also you can see that here we have this type of things, so you can add your latest events here. Okay, so right now you can see that we have the Sunday workshop service here, workshop service. Also here we have one btn here, join event. Also here you can see we have this hover effect. Also you can see that here we have all of these different types of events. Okay, so you can link your main event page to this also. Okay, so let's go below. Here you can see that we have this type of review section. So here you can add some reviews. Okay, so here you can see that we have this type of demo links here, or testimonials button is also there. Okay, so let's go below. Here you can see that we have this beautiful form with this Google map. Okay, so you can add some locations of your church here. So right now you can see that we have this type of testimonial. Also the spelling is not correct here. Here we have to write contact us. So okay, so here you can see that we have this form, beautiful form. Okay, here we have email, phone number. Here also we have to add the phone number. Okay, so some spelling mistakes are there. Here you have the submit now button. Also you can see that this map is the black and white, but when I hover we have these colors. Okay, so you can see we can also move this mouse. We can also move the mouse by using, we can also move the map by our mouse. Okay, so we have this type of things also. Here we have this type of things. Also you can see that here we have the get started button, we have the get involved, and this type of CTA. Okay, all of these have animation. Here you can see we have this FAQ section. Here also you can see we have this type of question answer. So right now we have same question, but you can add some different questions here. I just showing the demo. Okay, so I will show you how to make this type of section also using the Elementor and the WordPress. Okay, so let's go below. Here you can see that we have this beautiful footer. Here we have the Hope Center footer. Here we have all of the links. Here we have home about with links. Here we have all of the location details. Okay, here also we have the subscribe now newsletter form. So if you want to add this form, you can also add this. Okay, so let's go to the top, and I will show you all the different pages also. So let's go to the about page. So you can see, let's go to the about page. So this is not the single pager website, it is the multi-pager website. So let's go to about page. Here you can see that we have this type of transparent header in the about page. So I will show you how to make this type of transparent header on the image. Okay, so you can see here we have some sections also. Okay, here we have the testimonials also. Here we have the CTA button, and here we have the FAQ. Okay, so let's go to different page. Here we have the ministries page. Okay, so you can see here you have the ministries page. Here also we have this hover effect on these grids. Okay, this section is also same. Here we have the learn more button. Okay, these sections are there. Okay, so I will show you how to make this type of awesome website using the Elementor and the WordPress step by step. So if you are new to our channel, like and share our video with your friends, subscribe to the channel. Also, I will give you all of these images in the video description for free, so you can follow along with me. Okay, so here you can see that we have the events section here. Okay, join event. Here we have this type of things. Okay, so here you can see we have this thing. Also, we have the CTA. Okay, so let's go to the contact page now. Okay, so here we have the contact page. Okay, so let me open this. So right now this website is running in my local, that's why it takes some time to load. Okay, so here you can see we have this spelling mistakes here also, but we will do it correctly while recording it. Okay, so here you can see we have this type of maps here also. So we have the CTA. Okay, so it is a very simple multi-pager website. All these things are made using custom Elementor. We are not importing any pre-made template like other YouTuber. We are gonna make everything from start to end. Okay, so also I will show you that this website is fully responsive also. So let's go to the inspect part. Okay, so here you can see. So let me refresh this also, and so you can see that we have the animations here also. So you can see we have this type of animation. Here we have the menu. Okay, here we can see all the animations. So let me show one by one. Okay, also I will show you, if you click here the image will come like this. Okay, so let's go below. Okay, here you can see all these sections are there. This image, events, okay, all these events. Okay, so all these pages are fully responsive for the smaller screens. Also you can see that the animations are working. Okay, map is there. Here let's go to the FAQ section. Here you can see. Okay, so let's go below. Here you can see we have the FAQ, means the footer and all. Okay, so you can see all of these sections are fully responsive. And let me go to the top, and after that we will go to the about page. And after that you can see we are on the about page. So let's go to the about page. You can see here we have the about page, and this is fully responsive also. Okay, so all the sections, all the website pages are fully responsive. Okay, also if I show you that if I click on this, and you can see when I move it, so you can see this will adapt the screen size. Okay, so you can see this the website is fully responsive. Okay, so in this video I will give you all of these images in the video description for free. Also you can download this kit. All the links are in the video description. Also please support us on all the links are there. Okay, so if you like our videos, please support us some things. Okay, so here you can see all the animations. So let me show you that. You can see these animations are there. Also you can download this kit. Also we have so many kits, so you can check out. All the links are in the video description. Okay, so we're gonna make this website step by step. Also if you are new to our channel, like and share our video with friends, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start the video, and we're gonna build this awesome website, multi-pager website from start to end. Okay, let's get started.